Attach the stethoscope module. The heart is facilitated in 4 points. Please note that the first point is on the right side of the chest. It is important not to oscillate with the stethoscope against the sternum. Take a look. Here's the sternum. Make sure to place the stethoscope next to it. Now move on to the other points. Keep in mind these few points to ensure you properly perform the heart exam. Perform the exam in a quiet environment. Make sure you do not place the stethoscope on the sternum. Thanks! Now you see how easy it is to perform the heart exam. Make sure you check out our other exam guides. See you soon!